News coming in at the moment, it's NC patron Farooq Abdullah who's hit out at Pakistan. Farooq Abdullah said Pakistan needs to mend its ways and stop exporting terrorism. He also said there is a need to create a conducive atmosphere for the return of Kashmiri Pandits. Big statement coming in from Farooq Abdullah, who's speaking in favor of the return of Kashmiri Pandits. He said that Pakistan now needs to mend its ways and stop exporting terrorism.
उनके दिलों में ये एहसास नहीं हो कि वो यहाँ सुरक्षित हैं, वो आज़ादी से घूम सकते हैं, उनके माएँ बहनें भाई बच्चे ठीक तरह से चल सकते हैं, तब तक वो नहीं आएंगे। हमने वो कंडीशंस तैयार करनी है। ये तकरीरों से नहीं होगा, हमारे बोलने से नहीं होगा, अमल से होगा। अगर हम सचमुच उनको यहाँ लाना चाहते हैं तो हमें वो अमल तैयार करनी पड़ेगी और हमारे पड़ोसी से भी कहना पड़ेगा कि अभी आतंकवाद बंद कर दो, बहुत हो गया।
My colleague Mir Farid is now joining me on the story. Mir, this is a good statement which has come in from Farooq Abdullah, but he's pointing fingers at Pakistan and saying that they are the ones who need to mend their ways. But this is not the sentiment that Kashmiri Hindu Pandits have with regards to what happened with them. They believe that the government of the time was also, in fact, played a role in the kind of massacre that we saw that time.
Well, yes, Aishwarya. In fact, this has been a very emotive issue as far as Jammu Kashmir politics is concerned. We know that people like Farooq Abdullah, who is a pretty old politician, has seen it all. Obviously, is going with a soft line right now, saying that Kashmiri Pandits are a part of Kashmiri culture. Kashmir is incomplete without Kashmiri Pandits and they should come back. But at the same time saying that we first need to have the right environment, safety environment in Kashmir for them to return. And it's also, the onus is also on the Kashmiri Pandits to basically feel confident, because it's about security, it's about safety, to come back. That confidence level has to be built up, and for that we all have to work. At the same time saying that Pakistan is the main force which has disturbed peace in Jammu and Kashmir, and especially in Kashmir, and the way they brought in gun here, that really led to the violence and then the attacks against Kashmiri Pandits, and that really is the root cause of all the problems. So he's making the right noises, but Aishwarya, we know Farooq Abdullah he's a maverick politician. He's known for making different statements. In the morning he'll say something and then in the evening you expect something different from him. But yes, it is a significant statement, and right. We have seen that the BJP government has tried. There have been settlements that have been made here, but again it is the security situation, the attacks that happened 3-4 years back that disturbed everything. Now we'll have to wait and watch how this goes ahead, but yes, right statement as far as Farooq Abdullah is concerned. Back to you.
Thank you, Mir, for giving us those details. Statement being made by Farooq Abdullah, and appeal also being made that conducive environment should be made for the return of Kashmiri Pandits.